Is how to avoid bad choice. How to avoid bad choice, brothers and sisters. So, avoid bad choices. Pray for guidance. Mag-ampo ka sa Diyos aron malikayan ang mga bad choice, mga maling pagpili. According to James 1 verse 5. Number 2, seek wise counsel. Seek wise counsel. Proverbs 15 verse 22. 3, think before acting. So this is how to avoid bad choice, brothers and sisters. Think before acting. Stay focus on God's words. Mag-focus kita sa mga pulong sa Ginoo nga makita sa Psalm 119 verse 11. Wise choices. This is wise choices. Hashtag wise choices. Nabulol na ko. How to avoid bad choices. Mauni. Bad choice, no worries. Mali ang nagawa pero pwede pang itama. According to 1 John 1 verse 9. Learn from mistakes. Move forward. Proverbs 24 verse 16. Gusto mo mag-usap tungkol sa pangyayari? New start. This is a title, bad choice, and hashtag new start.